curb father here. Once you've finished putting your pattern in the curb, you've got to remove the excess powder that's on there. You can't put sealer on or mineral spirits. So we use a blower like you see here. And the idea is to blow off any excess material that's on the surface to make sure that there's no more there than what's colouring the surface. So we'll blow it off like you see, like that. And the net result is we've got a surface that's ready for the application of mineral spirits. Once the colour has been blown off, that's the excess antiquing powder that's on there. We want to see what colour it is. We want to see what it's going to look like before we seal it. And we can do that by wetting out that antiquing powder with mineral spirits. And the mineral spirits is going on here, and it shows you what the real colour is and how it's going to look once it's sealed. And at the same time, if there's too much antiquing powder left on the surface somewhere, you can actually use the mineral spirits to remove the excess antiquing powder. So you can see here how beautiful the finished product will look, and once it's sealed, it's going to look just like that, as you see in the picture. The mineral spirits allows us to preview that without sealing in something we don't like.